Let's check out the wrap tool. This is a great way to easily extend edges on any template. I am working on this door. First, select the door and click Partial Wrap option. Set your wrap distance value, and on the template now, click to place 2 points, exactly where you want the wrap to go. I am putting 1 point here and the second point here. Once you click, one dialog box will appear asking if you want wrap inward and outward. I will choose outward for this one, and boom, it's done. Let's look at another example using the partial wrap. I will choose the roof pattern. As you know, some cars have roof rails, and if you want to create those, simply select your pattern, enter Partial Wrap tool, choose the desired wrap distance value, and set 2 points. Now dialog box will ask you for the direction. Choose inward this time, and it's done. Let's jump into the next video.